Hi guys, welcome once again to Traders Motivation, and today's video we're going to discuss the spread, how to identify it on the Oanda FX trade platform, and how you need to use it to make effective trade decisions when placing trades live in the market. So, in front of you there we've got the current rates panel on the Oanda FX trade practice platform. Full declaration, this is a practice account, it's just used for educational purposes. So there we have all the rates currently, the buy and sell prices for each of the currency pairs I've got shown on screen. So we'll just show you as an example. Up in this top corner here we've got the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar. The number to the left hand side underneath the particular heading relates to the sell price. So if I wanted to sell this particular currency pair, that is the price that I would be getting at that moment in time. If I wanted to buy it, it would be the figure on the left hand side at that moment in time. And the little number in the grey box here, 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 and here, and all the way around the different rates panel is the spread. And that is effectively the cost of trading. So if I wanted to buy this particular currency pair or sell it, it would cost me 2.6 pips of whatever lot size I'm trading at that particular time to enter that trade. And that's where the broker makes their money. They make the money between the bid and the ask price, or the buy and the sell price. Spreads can fluctuate quite rapidly. You generally find that the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the USD JPY have the lowest spreads because there's a lot of liquidity in those markets, and it's quite easy for the broker to match up your buy with somebody selling and vice versa. Those that don't have so much liquidity, the spreads are a little bit higher, so you'll see there's a discrepancy there between GBP CAD and Aussie dollar up here. 1.5 it will cost us to enter a trade on that particular currency pair, but it would cost us 3.7 because that's just changed there on this particular currency pair, and it's rising as we speak. And you'll find because the broker is constantly matching bid and ask prices, the spreads will bounce around quite a bit. So you just need to be aware when you're entering a trade that you need to account for that spread when entering that trade. So if you're a scalper, for example, and you're looking to get maybe 5 to 10 pips and then exit the market, it's going to cost you whatever the spread is. You need to take that into account when you're entering the trade. Which is why I prefer to trade long term, so the spread doesn't really affect my trade decisions. The spread can fluctuate quite rapidly around high impact news events. If there's an interest rate decision coming from a national bank, you'll find that the currency pair that's been affected by that interest rate decisions will increase quite rapidly, and that's because just before the event, traders get out of the market, although generally you'll find the big players are already in, so they'll stay out of the market while the spread's quite high, and then as soon as the decision's made, they'll jump back in, spread will stay high for an indeterminate amount of time and then settle back down, and that's when you want to be entering, really. You don't want to be entering when the spreads are high, because high impact news can create whipsaws quite regular. It can rise, you think it's going to continue rising, you enter the trade when the spreads are quite high, only for the trade to reverse on you and take you out. So there's a quick summary of what spreads are, how you need to consider them when you're making trade decisions, and if you've got any questions, please leave me a comment, please subscribe, if you've got any questions, please leave me a comment, and please like my page. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. Please check out my other videos for more information on specifically the Oanda FX trade platform that I use to trade every day. If you've got any questions, please give me a shout. Okay guys, catch you later.